guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Portia Nicole, and listen, this channel is for you if you want to know all things about health. In this channel, I am going to go over so many tips and tricks, many tips of healthy eating, meal prepping, recipes, all things that you want to know to be able to amplify your lifestyle. Now, I am a breast cancer survivor. In 2019, I was diagnosed with breast cancer at the age of 34, and my lifestyle was terrible. Like, I literally did not eat the right things. I didn't exercise. I didn't do any of that, right? But once I was diagnosed with breast cancer, I decided that I was going to change my life, and that's exactly what I did. I changed my eating habits. I changed exercise and my exercising habits, and now I am cancer-free. I have been cancer-free for over 18 months. Thank God, but I wanted to share all the things that I learned during my research and during my battle with breast cancer with you. So I don't want to talk anymore. Check out the videos, and I hope to talk to you soon. Oh, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can get notifications every time I go live.